What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Starting this vlog at the gas station. Got some of the boys with me. We're gonna be heading out to Whittier, to the dyno once again. And the freaking queue looks slammed. Shout out to Chris for being in the back. Fat ass. Anyways, we're gonna be heading out to Whittier. I believe the homie Dave is gonna get dyno tuned. We're gonna go see that, see if we get this thing tuned. The tune file is ready for this car. Hopefully we're able to tune it tonight. If not, then we'll see till when. But let's see what this night has in store for us. All right, guys, ended up pulling up to the dyno. Got my special right here. Oh, I need to talk to you guys about that. I'm actually hosting a little special tune thing with this man. If you guys are interested, if you guys have a 2009 or higher, 370Z, Q50, G37, etc., you get a full tune for $650.
Hey, we
all maps.
Today, bro?
Huh?
We tuning today?
Talking to me?
No,
yeah.
we're not tuning him.
Yes, we are.
You are not tuning him.
We're tuning him because I'm gonna gap David after this.
Oh, my bad. I'm lazy. I couldn't see. I thought you were fucking David. We're tuning today, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure, bro.
Yeah, there's hella cars here, guys. Got my boys 370 right here. Davis 370. Got a clean ass Q60 over here. Got the carbon fibers, the clear tail lights, TE37. Carbon hood and carbon fenders. I think it makes like 500 wheel and like 600 foot-pounds of torque, but the thing is fast. Damn. It's making me want a Q60, guys. Oh, my boy Panda just pulled up.
Come on, gay boy.
Time to see how much this slow ass car makes. I hope it blows up in the dyno.
I hope it makes 320 wheel. I'll be happy with
It's
that.
gonna blow up in the dyno.
Huh? The only thing blown up here is your asshole.
Yeah, my predictions. Its intakes exhaust E85. I say 325 wheel, 290 foot-pounds of torque. The shop owner took the race car out. Sheesh. Sure got all of us. All right, guys, it's time to tune this dud. What do you predict, Mr. Tuner?
315.
You?
Was that tuned again?
It takes E85 manifold
You said 315?
and a manifold. I say 322.
I say 327.
Sorry, damn. Wait, what'd you say?
327.
3 what?
27.
All right, let's see what is it. The one that gets closest to it.
This gets close. Cool. Anyway.
You're whack. Damn, first pull made 323, bro. That exceeded mine. 323 already?
Yes?
Yeah. That's crazy, bro. I said 322. The first pull was more than my.
I said.
What?
I said 322.
Damn, the first pull fucking.
I said 3.32. I got it right.
Alright, second pull. Let's see what she makes. After a few minor adjustments. Pull my.
Something that's fine. Okay, it might lose power. Yeah.
I might lose power on this pull. Let's see. Ooh, it gained. 326.
I'm about to get it right. 327.
You think so?
Yeah, hell yeah.
I say 329. All right, it's gonna be the last pull. This one I'm gonna record from the outside because I'm sure this exhaust is killing my mic from the inside. What? What do you?
Your turn? You better
You mean I'm gonna send that shit to the moon, homie?
Yeah.
I'm making 1,000 or bust. Panda's gonna get gapped after this. Panda's gonna get gapped after this. Fast pull, what? Yeah, Chris got it right, bro. 327.
I'm a psychic.
Yeah, you are a psychic.
What is it? Not worth the one wheel,
I
huh?
didn't even give it another degree. I did the same exact pass. I just made more power.
Oh shit.
So I'm pretty sure you got a healthy motor, my guy. Like, it almost made 328. It's like 0.03 off.
0.03. Dude, I'm happy.
So we're gonna tell people you made 450 horsepower or what?
No. I'm just gonna say that I beast.
Makes 400 horsepower. So last minute, this man is gonna put the Q60 on the dyno, see what it makes. All right, meanwhile, this homie right here with the Q60 loads up on the dyno. We're gonna see David do a couple of little flybys now that he's dyno tuned. You a little nervous, bro? Damn, man, you got those star lights right here. Sheesh. Perfect for the ladies, huh? Ah. Oh, she's spinning. Oh, another car right here, Beamer. Oh shit, badass flame. No, my video was blurred. See what this thing makes, guys. I think it's full on 85, but I think it's reading E70 right now. 2 by race box. Estimate 100 horsepower. 545. It's just fucking fast, bro. Oh, 573 torque, bro. 573. It's just fast, bro. One more pull. I'm gonna trade my Q50 for a Q60. All right, guys, loading up this car on the dyno. So this man actually is here through my special. I haven't told you guys this because I haven't recorded in the past week, but I've been doing like this special tune where any 2009 plus VHR could come tune your car. Street tune for 650 bucks, all maps included. So that's a performance map, flame map, popcorn map, etc. If you do 85, it's 100 bucks more. And if you want a dyno, it's also additional, but a full street tune for 650. So that's pretty much half off. If you guys are interested in this special and you guys have a 2009 VHR or newer, hit my DMs. I only got a few spots left. But yeah, but this car should sound really good. It has more than hard pipes and more than exhaust. And it should be pretty fast too. We're all gonna catch some runs after probably. So excited to see how this goes. So on this side, my boy is over here installing some intakes for this 370 we're about to tune. Who are you talking to, bro? You! So I guess this car be pissing off a lot of people. I guess it's fully stock, but fully gooded. Bro, no way. There's nothing in here. Hello? You hear the fucking echo?
So center console though.
Oh yeah, he starts the center. Oh wait, oh shit, it is. So this car be beating some tune cars, you said, bro?
Yeah.
Stock? Crazy. That's sick. And the RPF ones, bro, super fucking light. The boosted HR. Damn, first pull, 313. Not bad, not bad. second pass. 315.
12 seconds later.
How does it feel, bro?
Damn, now I could really feel the power, bro.
Yeah?
Oh, cap. Yeah.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
That shit feels good.
Telling you guys heard it here. This J-Tune special ain't no joke. Come get fast. Paramount 370 gonna go, I think, check the car. Camera died, so we're on the iPhone. Turbo. Little gas station takeover. Bro, these fools are tripping. We came to this gas station to the CHP and they're still pulled in. Fools with
Not
explosives.
modified.
He jumped on him. There it is. That was clutch is slipping. Alright guys, those were some clean little runs. I had to bait that 5.0 so everybody could race up. Dude, I feel bad. I guess that guy was with the girl too. That's all bad, bro. And Spook literally got beat by every single car except for the stock one with 4 beans in it. That's all bad. Yeah, we're at Canes. We're gonna go ahead and grab a bite to eat. We're starving. So I've been telling everybody that I'm probably gonna sell Q50 for a Supra, but this was another choice. Bro, this M340 is fire. Stock wheels, just carbon hood, probably lower tint. And that's all they're already telling them. If we're in an M340 right now, a tuned one, I would have got everybody. That's the main reason why I would want one, because I can still roll deep with the homies and cap everybody. Going out with it's only me and Eric, and this fool got a Happy Meal like a little lame. Because he wasn't craving king. My bad, bro. At least wash your hands before you touch my food.